Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kimi. It's my third time to stand here with you. Last time in Canton Fair and 1 month ago in HC TV show, and today here. Nice to meet you. Today, me, Virginie, Jean, and Henry will take you together with traveling in the aerial platforms and the attachment. So today we will similar as the 6 living shoes before. We will have 20 pieces for the cubans and 100 for each cubans in today. So firstly, pass the code, make the handling easier to my online colleagues. Then leave you intent orders and the content details to my colleague Mr. Xu, and you can see the emails and the rules for the cubans in the bottom of the screen. And how you want to use it, you can also email to my colleague and we will tell you. As development of the society and the technologicals, the customers, the demands for the forklift increase a lot. As traditional, the forklift only from class 1 to 5, but now it's from 1 to 7. Also, in some special working environment, we need the attachment to using it to reach the cargoes. So that's why we're making the living shoe for the aerial platforms and the attachment today. So here, firstly, we will come in with our group introduce, and then my colleague Virginie will take you to traveling in the aerial platforms. So let's see the videos in first.
As the world's top intelligent logistics integrated solution provider, Hangcha Group, after more than 60 years of development, has built more than 1 million square meters of ultra-large production base in China and integrate resources to create a complete industrial chain. Today, we provide intelligent logistics solutions to nearly 200 countries in the world, helping more enterprises to improve logistics efficiency. We continue to explore and innovate with a global vision. Relying on the profound technical deposition and market accumulation in the industrial trucks in the past 60 years and incorporating the latest technologies such as Internet of Things, new energy, and advanced communication, we have constructed a core autonomous technology system for AGV, successfully worked out AGV core intelligent logistics solutions, which integrate intelligent management of production process, intelligent management of warehousing process, and meet the future needs of enterprises, and achieved iterative development. Innovation thought leads the value chain of Hangcha. We make use of the Internet of Things and mobile Internet technologies and combine the digital production equipment to build Hangcha, an intelligent factory represented by New Energy Forklift General Assembly Line, production line for intelligent industry vehicle, and warehouse forklift General Assembly Line.
Norge har et svært variert klima og landskap, fra ekstremvær fra Atlanterhavet i vest til tilnærmet arktisk klima i nord. I disse forholdene så får Hangcha-truckene prøvd seg til det helt ytterste, og vi kan helt klart si at de har klart denne testen.
Som selger av Hangcha i Ådalentrekk, så synes jeg det er veldig betryggende at vi kan ha en så god kommunikasjon og et så godt samarbeid med fabrikken i Hangzhou. Det er mest imponerende over Hangcha, det er at de faktisk gjør alt de kan for å lande hvert eneste salg til det beste for kundene våre.
The technical quality of Hangcha's products can meet high standard demands from different customers all over the world. Over 6,000 types and production systems in more than 10,000 specifications, which are widely used in manufacturing, vehicles, logistics, rubber, photovoltaic industry, medicine, and other fields. we have established a global rapid response mechanism to provide customized products and services to different customers.
En el mercado español, el Grupo Hancha es una empresa global con más de 60 años de historia. Estamos contentos al llevar 15 años cooperando juntos.
Hancha Group will integrate the global high-quality resources to innovate and extend the industrial value chain and continuously enhance the value-added service capacity to create an amazing future for our global partners. Hancha, make handling easier.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Virginie. Glad to see you again. In last Canton Fair TV show, we have introduced you some products of Hancha area platform. For example, the GTHZ series for articulating boom lift, and the Axion series for the scissor lift. And today, I will bring you some new products of the Hancha area platform. The Axion D new series of the scissor lifts, the new model 160 XES of the Axion series, and last one is the XB series for the pallet truck with the scissor lifts. Okay, I will start with the Axion D series first. So I will invite my colleague to drive the machine here. The Axion D series is similar as the Axion series. The difference between them is the Axion D is an electrical drive machine, and the Axion series is a hydraulic drive machine. Okay, so before my instruction, I would like to show you a short video about this machine. It will help you to know more about the product. Okay, let's see the video. Okay, welcome back to the video studio. As you have seen in the video, the XCND series models are widely used in decoration, pipeline, maintenance, lamp installation, and the other operations. Today we have two models for this series, the 60 XCND and the 76 XCND. For the 60 XCND, the working height is 66 meters, and for 76 XCND, the working height is 7.6 meters, and the capacity for them for 60 XCND, the capacity is 250 kilogram, and for the other one is 230 kilogram. So why we call the two XCND series like mini scissor lifts? Because first, the size, you can see the size is smaller than the XCN series. Its wide is only 0.76 meters, and the length is about 1.44 meters. And the second is the weight. The two machine, it weighs very light. For the 60 XCND, it weighs only 900 kilograms. And for the 76, it weighs 1,270 kilograms. So these two models can easily go to some compact space and special space like the elevator, the supermarket, the warehouse, and workshop, and so on. Okay. So let's see some details of the machine. I will take this 60 XCND for example. My instruction will separate for three parts. The structure of the machine first. The second is the hydraulic system and electrical system. And the third part is the safety devices. Now I will start from the structure first. The structure, we have the three parts: the frame, the scissor structure, and the basket. The frame is designed by Hongcha Technique. It is waterproof and dustproof. And here we have two forklift holes for transporting and loading into a container. These four wheels here are all no marking tires. On the frame, we have two new designs in compare with the XCN series. The first one is the side door. Do you remember in the XCN series, the side door is it can be swing out, and here on the XCND, to save the reasonable space, we use the drawer design. The side door is designed like a drawer. If you want to open it, just pull it out. Just pull it out. It's very easily. Okay, and you can see all the parts are well located on the side door, and the drawer is used the high strength and heavy sled rails to make the open and close smoothly without deformation and sticking. Okay, and the second new design is the removable pedals here. We call it the removable pedals. It's so we can remove it just by hand. Do not need any other tools. So I will show you how to do it. So you see, it's very easy to take it off. Now I will assemble it. So it is very convenient for the operator if the machine wants to go to a container or go to elevator to shorten the length. Okay. The second. Okay, let's go to the scissor structure. Okay, the scissor structure, it has the same structure as the Axion series, the double scissor structure. And here, every tube, we use a cover to keep the dust and the water out of the tube and prevent the rust. Okay, okay, then go to the third part. It's the basket. The basket size is 0.76 meters and the length is 1.29 meters. So as the same as the Axion series, it has an extension space just to push out the mobile platform, so you can have another extension place. 下来。移动平台推一下。Here it comes the extension basket. The length is about 0.6 meters. So now we have enough place for 2 or 3 people working on it. Okay. In the basket, we also have a new design. It's the handrail. Now the handrails can be folded just by pulling out the pins. It's very easy. Pull out the 4 pins. Like this. So now it will save more space when in the compact room. Okay, it's the most compact size. Okay, here we can see the floor plate of the basket. It's made of patterned floor, so it is anti-skid and the durable. So here we have a black box. This is for document. You can put the operator's manual and the repair manual in it. And also in the basket, we have another small black one. This is the joystick. It's for the basket control. I will talk about it later. Okay, then I will go to the next part. The structure is finished. The next part is the hydraulical system and the electrical system. The hydraulical system, all the main parts are located in the side door. Okay. So here we have the oil pump, oil tank, and the valve box. So the main parts are all integrated like a hydraulic power unit. And you will find in the side door, the hydraulic hose is less than the Axiom series. That's because the Axiom series is electrical drive machine. So it reduced the oil tube and the connectors by 70%, and it will also reduce the risk of the hydraulic leakage. Okay, now let's go to the electrical system. The electrical system, the machine has intelligent control on ECU. ECU is like a brain of this machine. So we choose data tag like for the system, which is the famous supplier in the aerial platform industry. So the machine has two electrical control system, the base control system here and the basket control system. So let's see the base control first. On the base control panel, this is it is equipped with the LED screen, which will show you the error code, the using time, and also the other informations. And here we have a key switch to choose the basket control or the base control. And here is with these two buttons you can have the lifting and the lowering of the machine. On the base control, we can only do these two movements. So if you want to do the other movements like steering, walking, so you need to enter in the basket and use the joystick. And the joystick is proportional control, so which is to reduce impact of movement and ensure smooth operations. This is this red one. Okay, this red one is the emergency switch. We have the same one in the base control. These two emergency switch, when you are the operator phase in the emergency situation, you can just press it and all the movement will stop immediately to save the security. And the customer, to increase the conformance for the customer, they can set some parameters to meet their own working conditions. For example, the lifting and the walking speed. So use this small switch to set the new parameters, but certainly the adjustments should follow the operator's manual and the dealer's instruction. Okay, and now it's okay, because the machine is electrical drive machine, so it has 3 motors, 2 traction motors on the besides the back wheels, and 1 hydraulic motors in the door. So here, let's see the batteries. Here for the XND series, we only have two 12-volt free maintenance batteries. We use free maintenance batteries, so you don't need to spend other time to look after them, and so maybe you might wonder if the working time will be shorter because for this machine we only have two batteries. The answer is no, because it's an electrical drive machine, so the working time will not shorter, and in reverse it will longer than the hydraulical motor scissors. Okay, and for each charge, the running time is longer based on the industry standard HIRD circle test. The battery life of the XND electrical drive scissor lift can be increased by 30%, and compared with the hydraulic drive. So I have a data test data in my hand. So for example, this machine, empty charge and 4 batteries, for the lifting times is 274 times, and the working lap is 14 laps, 900 meters per lap. Okay. Compared to hydraulic drive machine, it is double the working time and even 10 to 15% more hours than the competitors' product. That means you might do not charge the machine every day. 2 or 3 days for one charge maybe is enough, but certainly it depends on your working conditions. Okay, here is the charger. Here, the charger, if you want to charge, it's very convenient. Just pull out the wiring here and then do the chargement. Okay, now let's go to the third part. It's the safety devices. To ensure the safety of the operators, the machine has several safety devices. So I will show you some of them. Okay, and the first one, the emergency descent devices. Okay, 紧急下降。紧急下降。Okay, we use this one. Just pull out it, and the machine will descend manually. So if the machine is lifting and it is not under control, we can use this one to lower the machine. And next is automatic photo protection. So when the machine is lifting to more than 2 meters, the black stick will open both in right side and the left side to protect the machine from passing when it is passing a hole on the ground. Okay. Okay, now I will let my colleague do some performance of this machine. 你演示一下这个车，上去演示。 So as Axion series, the machine has two modes of traction, working mode and the transporting mode. Now it's in working transporting mode. That means the machine is lower than 2 meters. And now we have two speeds to choose, the high speed and the low speed. You can choose it for your own working conditions. Okay, now the machine is lifting to more than 2 meters, so it is now the working mode. In the working mode, the traveling speed will be lower to keep ensure the operator's safety. Okay, now we finish the Axion D series. I will talk about the new models of the Axion series. This is just a prototype now, and the new machine will start to sales at the end of this year. And this new machine is a narrow version of the 170 Axion, and the wide is only 1.25 meters, narrower than the 160 Axion. And we have some new design. For example, the frame, the scissors, and the basket. So I will show some details for you. Just for example, the side door and how to open the side door, and now it's very convenient. Just put. Oh, sorry. Sorry, it's locked. Okay. Just pull out the clay, then we can open it. It's very convenient. And all the main parts are in the both side door. It's similar as the Axion series, so I will not talk too much about it. And Okay, and other new design, for example, the basket, the handrails is like the Axion D and can fold it. The handwheels can be folded very easily with pulling out the 4 pins. Okay. Then let's go to the third part, the XB series, the pallet jack with scissor lifts. So why do we have this idea to produce this product? It is one day the customer asked us if we can make a machine that like pallet truck, but not only a pallet truck. It wants to transport the server and also put the server on the shelf. So so our technician thinks maybe we can combine the scissor lift structure and the pallet truck together. So that's the XB series created. And for this machine, I will talk about the scissor structure. So for the XB series, we have 3 models. This one is 1510 XB. That means 15 means the lifting height is 1.5 meters, and 10 means the capacity is 1 ton. Okay, and we also have other 2 models. For example, the 2010 XB and the other one. Okay, and let's see the structure. This one is we have the scissor structure uses a high stress tubes that makes the structure more stable, and so it is good for weight bearing. And for the pins, we use the QPQ technique for the treatment. So it is good for the anti-corrosion resistance. And here we have the slider. Inside it, it's made by the nylon. The slider is made by nylon with self-lubricating function. It makes the structure more stable in operation and with less friction and a long service life. Okay. Okay, let's see some main points. The main parts are all located in this here. So we have the permanent magnet motor and the integrated hydraulic unit. It seems like the pallet truck. So I will pass this one. Okay, to ensure the safety, the machine has some safety devices. For example, the braking functions. The machine has 3 release braking, reverse braking, and 3 emergency braking functions to ensure the safety of the driving. And we also have the emergency reverse button. The emergency reverse button on the head of the handle can effectively prevent the driver from being hurt when driving backward in case of emergency. Okay. And here we have a lifting limit devices. It's a micro switch which can avoid the impact when the scissor is lifting to the top, effectively protect the safety of the operator and the cargo. Okay, now let's see a video for this product. Okay, as you have seen in the video, now we can do it. We can show you it now how to use this pallet jack with scissor lift structure. We put the goods on the pallet. Then we lift it to the second shelf. Then we put them on second shelf. And we change them to another shelf. Okay, that's the function of the XB series. If you are interested in our Hongcha area platform products, please contact our sales team to get more information. Okay, so thank you for watching this live show, and well, glad to see you again. So see you again.
Thanks a lot for Virginie's fancy introduction for our area platforms. With her rich experience, her introduced each product very detailed and making you know for the product from all aspects. You can see here we have 5 pieces for the product, from the mini scissor platform hand plant track and the lifting platform and this articulating booms. We have the full range for our aerial platforms, and here you can find the product which you want. That's why Hongcha makes the handling easier. Maybe some customers want to see our videos before. You can focus on our online social media like the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and also you can download our Hongcha app from the Apple Store. In there, you can nearly find everything for Hongcha. If you just come into our living booth, we have 20 pieces for the Cubans and $100 for each. Please pass in the codes, make the handling easier to my online colleague, and leave your intent orders and contact details with my colleague Mr. Shi. You can see her email and the rules for the Cubans and how you use it in the bottom of the screens. In 2019, it's a very special year for Hongcha. In that year, we're holding the celebrations for Hongcha. I think it's the largest celebrations in Hongcha history. We're welcoming over 220 dealers all over the world from over 180 countries. In that celebrations, nearly all the customers seeing the different Hongcha, the modern Hongcha, and they feeling with the development of Hongcha. So here you can see our videos for Hongcha in the second World Dealer Conference. And then my colleague Jin and Harry will help you to travel in the attachment. So let's see the video first.
As I mentioned before, in Poland, Hangcha is #1 supplier in engine forklift trucks.
Wonderful. It's great that y'all have so much new product, and the factory is amazing.
To
we've had an ongoing relationship with Hangcha for more than 10 years now. And when I think of Hangcha, 3 things come to mind. First is scale. And so I think they have really large factories.
这一次经销大会让我个人感受相当的印象深刻。尤其我整场这样看下来就是感觉我们航差集团在产品的制造以及研发、创新，甚至于在产品的多元化都已经做得相当的完备了。但我个人感觉是比较夸张一点啦，我是个人感觉是不太输欧美日各国的品牌了。那我是觉得我们航差将来在挑战世界第一，应该是指日可待。
There's a lot of new design and technology. And we're very happy with the new lithium-ion range because a lot of companies are now changing to a more greener environment control with their products, and those products are now available. And the variety that Hangcha offer also, there's a good range at very competitive pricing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm the host Harry, joined by Jin today.
I'm Jin. So hello everyone.
In past few days, our colleagues introduced more about the forklift. To make best use of your forklift, we suggest you choose a suitable attachment for your forklift. In Hangcha, we could design and produce all different attachments for your forklift.
Yes, so we have our own forklift attachment factory. So to better understand this factory and the company, first let's see a short video of their introduction.
As a leading domestic and world-class modern forklift manufacturer, Hangcha Group takes to be the best forklift manufacturer in the world as its ambition, and make handling easier as its highest mission. Hangzhou Hangcha Kangli Forklift Attachment Company Limited, as a holding subsidiary of Hangcha Group, is the only professional forklift attachment manufacturer that support Hangcha forklift brand sales in the domestic forklift industry. Since the establishment of Kangli Attachment in 1998, with continuous development of the group for decades, it has become a professional forklift attachment supplier who is having individual department of R&D, production assembly, and sales. Since the deep development of the group strategy, the company continuously improves its R&D strength and has built a strong R&D team, including 12 technicians. The main products under Kangli brand are paper roll clamp, bale clamp, scrap clamp, push and pull, tilting attachments, special attachments for back goods, pusher, rotary pusher, rotator, appliance carton packaging attachment, carton clamp, steel arm clamp, tobacco clamp, clamp attachment, fork clamp, foam clamp, brake clamp, carpet boom, jib, mechanical barrel clamp, special attachments, container crane, feeding device, and tamping device, three-way stacker, intelligent forklift attachments on AGV, three-way stacker, two-way extendable fork, attachments on warehouse equipment, truck shifter, reach truck fork, and other accessories. The company is committed to the R&D and production of Hangcha's own brand Kangli. Under the leadership of the group, the production base has begun to take shape. After several technical upgrades and optimizing various process links, introducing advanced technologies such as International Advanced Robot Welding Line and Automatic Coating Line, and continuing train senior assembly technical workers, improving the efficiency of each process. It finally ensures the quality and productivity. The company pays attention to product quality and modern enterprise construction, has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental System certification, ISO 18001 Occupational Health and Safety System certification. The company actively participates in the formulation of national standards for forklift attached to ensure that Hangcha has the voice in the attachment industry, and deeply supervises the design and manufacturing process of component suppliers. At the same time, the company makes use of the high-quality resources of Hangcha National Laboratory to conduct simulation tests on each new product component. Also has established the only simulation inspection system in the industry, which ensure every products are qualified before delivery. Every detail in every inspection is improving. Let both salesmen and customers exchange happily. At present, with continuous expansion of the forklift market, the company's products have been provided to Sinopack system, pusher, rotary pusher, Marco Polo ceramic tile puller, Jingxi paper industry paper roll clamp, Bohui paper industry bale clamp, paper roll clamp, Zhongce tire clamp, AGV bale clamp, Wahaha double side shifter, Nongfu Shangchuan pusher, and gain the pleasure from those big customers. Under the leadership of the group, Hangzhou Hangcha Kangli Forklift Attachment Company Limited is always adhered to the enterprise mission of devoting itself to the development of national industry and building a world-class forklift brand. Striving for perfection and striving hard. Hangzhou people never stop their pace. Make handling easier. Make forklift more professional. Hangcha Kangli.
Okay, well, so it's really an impressive video. Next is our show time. Today we are going to present you several popular attachments. And please pay attention. Today we will offer a big discount for 2 models of them. So stay with us. Don't go away.
What are they?
Okay, so today we will show the attachment is the side shift, the fork positioner, the bell clamp, the rotator, the reach forks, and also the forklift scale.
Okay, let's go to check the first one.
Okay.
The first attachment is side shift. It could allow you to move the fork from side to both sides, reduce the difficulty of forklift movement and the product placement.
Yes, so let's give you some basic information of this model. This model the capacity is 3.5 ton, and it's the fork lateral movement distance is 100 millimeters, both left and right. So and yes, look at this. So we see this is also a hook-on type of the hook-on type, and we also have the integrated type available. So the hook-on type means you can assemble it very easy and also dismantle. So if you have a forklift without side shift and you want to add it, so this is a very good option for you.
Okay, can you move it?
Yeah.
Yes, in our warehouse, the nearly 60% of the original forklift are equipped with the side shift. It's quite a useful attachment.
Yes, it's a widely used forklift attachment, we think.
And today, in today's show, there are 2 attachments in promotion. Is this one of them?
Yes, sure. This is one of our promotions. So let's bring it.
Okay, let's check out.
Okay. So is everybody ready to see the surprise?
Okay, just imagine what will be the big discount.
Oh wait, Harry, do you know the price? The book?
I don't know.
I don't know. So.
Yeah, I'm excited to check it out.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
What's that?
139. Is it really?
Yeah, I think so. It's very incredible price, I think.
Okay. So, I don't know if this is the same side shifter with before.
Okay, so I was doubting also when I saw this price, but I'm not sure. So I need our old friend, Mr. Tang's help. So he's here today.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Tang.
Hello.
How are you today?
Fine. Hello, everyone.
Wow, so what you bring to us?
Oh, it's a whole part for your side shift.
Okay.
Okay. I will show you.
Right, so I guess this is the frame, right?
Yes. This is the frame.
Yeah.
the frame, which is completely processed with section steel. This one is section steel, this one, and this one also is section steel.
Right.
And we product this frame with welding robot.
Okay.
That make it very stable.
Yeah.
And our welding line just need one work, and it can product 10 frames per hour.
Frame per hour.
Yes.
So such a high productivity.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And this one, and this one, the bearings. The bearings.
bearing.
Yes, the bearings is the materials is product engineering
Plastic.
plastics. Yes, and we tested this one more than 100,000 times.
Well, 100,000 times.
Yes,
so
yes.
So
big
that
durability.
means almost you don't need to do any frequent maintenance.
Yes, you're right. And this one, we make by one time molding. Yes, and less welding. Just and the cylinder, we tested more than 40,000 times, and so the point is very stable. Yes.
Okay. So is this cylinder also our Hangcha product?
Yes, it's our Hangcha self-made.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, and with a strong advantage of SiC and technology, our productivity is increased a lot. So the cost is more competitive. The price is very fair.
Okay.
So please, I wish everyone choose our Hangcha side shift, our Hangcha product. Okay.
Yes, apparently. So with the advantages of our scale and also the technology and also our high productivity, so that's why we have so competitive price for you. So hurry up. And notice that, please note the price is only valid in October, so you don't have much time to buy, I think.
Yes.
So go ahead.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Tang.
Thank you,
Okay,
Mr. Tang.
bye-bye.
So Harry, what's the next?
The next one is fork position. Compared to the side shift we just introduced, for the fork positioner, there are two additional cylinders which allow you to adjust the distance of two forks.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, you can move the pallet from side to side. The same function as the side shift.
Okay. So which means it have the side shift function, and also you see, I see that there is two additional cylinders.
Yes, it means this attachment it could fit different pallet size, because in warehouse sometimes you don't not only you have to handle one pallet size.
Okay, so the capacity of this fork positioner is 3,000 kilogram, and also the lateral, the fork lateral distance is same with the side shift. It's also 100 millimeters, both left and right.
Yes, it's such a useful and quite convenient for operation, because for traditional, the side shift, if you want to adjust the fork distance, the operator have to leave the seat, park the truck, then manually remove the pin on the fork. But for the fork positioner, you can do all inside the cabin. So let's see how it works.
Okay. So now is the side shift.
Yes. Then
So now
adjust
it's,
the
yes,
fork.
fork position. So you see these two forks are moving synchronously, and also we have another type of which is able to adjust only one of the fork.
Okay, I think some customer are also interested of this attachment. Are we offering the same discount like the set shift today?
I'm not sure, so let's see it. Why not?
Okay, come on.
Okay, so are you ready?
Okay, I'm the one to first see the price. It's more than 500.
Okay.
559.
Wow, I can't believe that.
It's really an incredible price.
Yes.
So hurry up, everyone! Catch up the chance to have this special discount today. This price is only valid in October.
Yes, it's the same. Okay.
Okay,
So-
thank you.
Thank you. So everybody, we have just finished two models. So Harry, what's the next?
The next one is bell clamp.
Bell clamp?
Yes.
Okay.
Different with the last two forklift. For this forklift, as we can see, there is no fork. Instead, there is a two arm, looks like an arm. We call it the bell clamp. The bell clamp is used to handle belt material.
Yes, so the capacity of this model is 2,500 kilogram. So the arm, the opening range, which means how big it can catch, is from 550 to 1,880 millimeters.
Okay, I can't wait anymore to check how it works. Please show us.
Okay, so now it's clamping now.
I can see it's also it also have the side shifting function.
Yes, so this is the side shift function. But Harry, I observed that there is only two cylinders, right?
Yes, only two cylinder. How it make it happen? Because only two cylinder, you have to control the movement.
Yeah. So it looks it weighs a very complicated structure. Unfortunately, I don't know. So maybe we need Mr. Tang's help again. Hello, Mr. Tang.
Hello, everyone.
Nice to see you again.
I'm come back.
Okay.
Okay.
So my colleague and I have some questions about this
bell clamp.
Bell clamp. So, wow! So now you bring us two pallets of the parts.
Yes.
So can you explain to us?
Okay. This is
this one?
This is the clamper's arm. The arm. So
Okay.
the arm. Yes, no painting. We show everyone.
Okay.
This arm you see is very strong. Now we see this part is use the forging steel, and this part use the stitching steel.
Yeah.
Okay, just very strong, and the welding we use the robot to welding this one, and the whole arm is very very strong and stable.
Okay.
And here, come here. Yes, this one, the materials is aluminum.
Okay.
Yes, and it's very strong, but very light. Very light. Very light.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. It's much light.
Yes.
Imagine.
But it's very strong. And here, yes, you see, it's also the balance is the plastic is also the engineer's plastic.
Right. Same as
yes.
the set shift.
Yes, we tested more than 14,000 times. Yes.
Okay, that also means reduce the maintenance cost.
Yes, you are right. And the valve block, dear valve.
Oh, this is a critical part.
Yes, the valve control the side shift and the clamping. And these two valve control the side shift, and this one control the clamp. And when it side shift, it can make sure clamping the bells don't down. Don't fall down.
All right. So the miracle is here.
Yes.
Harry. Now we know.
Yes. So just this model and another model bell clampers, we always test them more than 1000 times to make sure the quality and the good.
Thank you for explanation.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Please, if you want to need the bell clamps, choose our Hancha product. Thank you.
Yeah, if you have any questions,
see you. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.
Yeah. Okay. So Harry, let's move to next.
Okay, the next one is a rotator. Okay, let's check out.
Yeah, rotator. Here. Yes. Okay.
This rotator is used to rotate the fork to dump the material. It's quite commonly used in industry like agriculture, construction, food, and beverage. And for this attachment, it means the material should be packed in a particular container.
Okay. So we see that this is also with the side shift function, right?
Yes, it's hooked on type.
Okay.
Also a combination of side shift. So let's move it to check how it works.
Okay.
Side shifting. Rotate.
Yes. So we have these bars, these two bars to make sure the fork will not move when rotate.
Yeah. Also, you can adjust the pin to fit different pallets, different container size. I think.
Yes. Yes. The fork's distance can be adjusted by these bars and the thread holes on the attachments. So it is also a very common used attachment. So if you have any interest of this product, so contact our sales. We also have other types which has more visible type.
Okay.
Okay, just hold a second.
Yeah, we have the customer's bill that he want to buy the attachment, and you can say to him.
Okay, so welcome, Bill. So yes, thank you for your interest in our products. If you are interested in the attachment, so you can email to our colleague, Miss Cassie. I think you you will have her email address. Okay, thank you, Bill. All right.
Okay, shall we check the next one?
Yes, sure. So next one.
The next attachment we are going to introduce is the reach fork. If any customer they want to buy a reach truck, but they don't really want to afford that much money, too much investment, we strongly suggest this attachment, reach forks.
Yes. So let's see how it moves. Yes. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. So I have its capacity is about 1,800 kilograms. The distance, the maximum distance, the reach distance is 1,040 millimeters. So we could see it has 2 cylinders which have strong strength, and also the double feeders structure. This is to make sure the good vision of the driver, and also let the operation more safe.
Okay, thanks for explanation. I think maybe we can try it.
Yes, I think it's better to have a demonstration of this attachment. Okay. This camera here, yeah. Okay, we see, yes, the forklift, the mast and the shaft, we have a certain distance here.
That means you don't have to drive your forklift forward too much.
Yeah.
Because the fork could be extended.
Yes. Yes, it's very impressive. I think it's some kind of reach tracks. So, okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's really brilliant. And today we also have another type of reach fork. Let's check another one.
Yes. So Harry, is this also the reach forks?
Yes, it looks like a standard fork.
Yeah, I didn't find anything special on this one.
Actually, inside the fork there are 2 cylinders, which is hydraulically controlled to extend the fork.
Okay, so there are cylinders inside this fork?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, right. So we see, yeah, the fork can be extended and retracted itself.
Yes, compared to last one, because its self weight is much less. So that means the capacity of this reach fork is is bigger. It could reach 3,000 kilogram.
Oh yeah, apparently. So because the one, just the one with the carriage, so it's, the self weight is more bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you please also show us how it works? Will it be also great?
Yeah.还得往上一点。
Now extend the fork.
Oh, okay.
Catch it. Extract it.
Okay, yes. But Harry, I found that so this is also only the fork, but the model we just displayed, it can combine with other attachments. I think it's available. Yeah.
Yes, for this one, you know you have to buy a special fork.
Yeah. So it's just a fork. Yeah. Okay, so
so let's go to check the next one.
Okay. Okay, so next one is the forklift scale. Yeah. Yeah, please. Yeah, here. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Please, yeah, together. Oh.
不要升这么高，怎么站？ Yes, the weighing scale. You know, in some conditions, you have to precisely control the load on the fork, because like in chemistry industry, you have to feed exactly the weight as per your recipe.
Yeah, sure. So today we have got two different type of the forklift weighing scale for you.
Yes, not only it can get the weight of the material, but also it could display the weight on the screen. That's our high-tech latest product.
Yes. So first, let's see this one. So I see that the carriage is with a very complicated device inside.
Yeah, actually, I think here is the weight sensor here on the carriage.
Yes, the weight sensor.
Yes, weight sensor.
Okay, right. So I see there is also our LCD screen.
Yes.
So can we have a try?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Low D.
So yeah, no. I will.
Okay, then for test only, you can step on the fork.
Okay. So okay, this is not recommended behavior, just for the test.
So don't look.
Okay.
What's the weight of yourself?
I think it's 70.
70.
Yeah.
Yes, as we can see here, it displays 70 kilogram.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, Wow, so the accuracy is very good.
Yes, it's quite intelligent.
So yes, actually this type, the range it can scale is from 40 kilogram to 3,000 kilogram, 3 ton.
That's really accurate.
Yes.
And as we see, this is a normal fork, but only the carriage is a special one. We have another type.
Okay.
Let's check this one. For this one is also a weighing scale. Compared to this one, the fork is a special one because all the weighing sensor, all stuff is integrated with the fork.
Okay, so yes, the sensor, the weight sensor is in the fork, right?
And the weight information is transmitted to the display, by cable. Also, we have option of Bluetooth.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So this the information exchange. This is by the Bluetooth.
Yes.
And yes, this is also the wireless is available.
Yeah, also both
right.
Both option.
Okay. So I think you should try this.
Yeah, later I will try.
Okay. Right.
Thank you.
So I noticed that this is a fixed fork structure, and this is a hooked on type. So which means you can change your attachments and use also the weight scaling by this type.
Yes.
But that type is fixed. We can only use the forks to scale.
So that means the set shifter or the rotator could also be hooked on this.
Yes, sure. So
Okay,
I
that's
think
great.
yes, 2 models for your option. If you have any interest, please contact our sales. It's a very high-tech product. We highly recommended you to purchase. All right. So thank you. So Harry, let's have a short review. Today we have introduced 6 models of attachments, and 2 of them have 2 options. So I think you have been impressed by Hangcha's product families. So you see, we have Hangcha. We have very high productivities and technology advantages. Also, that's why we can offer you a very competitive price.
And at the ending of the show today, let me remind you again regarding the promotion attachment today.
Yes. Okay. I forgot one thing, that I mean all of our attachments can be customized. We just showed our standard option. So every size you can customize your own needs.
Okay, our promotion today for the set shift HC30. And another one is the fork positioner.
Yes, 2 models.
Hurry up to contact your sales to get the promotion price, only valid in October.
So yeah, I think it's better to show again the.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, the 2 models promotion.
For the set shift 139.
Yeah, this price is 559 for our fork position with the side shift function. Okay.
Okay. So it's the
So
end of this show.
Yes, that's today's show. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
See you
Bye-bye.
next time. Bye bye.